English for Kids. Telling daily activities. Dika's activities.
My daily activities. Hello, my name is Dika. I am a student. I am in the 3rd grade. I usually get up at 5:30 minutes. After it, I take a bath, and I get dressed. After breakfast, my mom takes me to school. My school is about 2 kilometers from my house. We usually go there by motorcycle. My school begins at 7 o'clock and finishes at 12 o'clock. After I arrive home, I usually have lunch, and do my homework. Then I take a nap. In the afternoon, I usually go to square, to play football with my friends. I go home at 5 o'clock p.m. After it I take a bath. I study after I have dinner in the evening. Then I watch television and go to bed at 10 o'clock. I think that is all. Thank you.
Don't forget like, subscribe, and share.